Finally here. I know in my last video I said I was gonna figure out what mod to do, but I wanna do a thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Oh, I'm so excited. This my RS5 is gonna sing. So what? So this, eventually I'm going to do the, ooh, nice little pack, card with that. Ooh, nice JHM sticker. I don't know where to put that yet. It's nicely packed. Oh, there's a 6-rib belt. Okay. Oh! Okay. It's the PCV valve. I thought it was electric flywheel. Electric pulley kit, sorry. Oh, okay. Huh. I got both. Okay, it's the PCV Delete Kit. I was told it was going to be back ordered, so this is a nice surprise. Go JHM.
Nice.
JHM, I would love a sponsor. You guys are doing fantastic work, and this is going to definitely go well inside my RS5, because I ordered this because I thought if you look at my last video, I thought my PCV valve exploded. So I went ahead and proactively bought the PCV Delete Kit, but the JHM said it was back ordered, but look, I managed to get it, so great. Oh, these are all the bolts for the pulley kit. So I ordered both, but I understood that the PCV Delete was going to be back ordered, so this is a pleasant surprise. Oh, look at it. It has a nice heft to it, but if this weighs this much, I can only imagine how much the stock one weighs. I definitely want to do a weight comparison between the two. This is for the alternator, I think. Yep. Cool. Yeah. Oh, now the sticker. Each sticker, adds 5 horsepower. So my RS5 is going to be 550 horses with all my stickers. Okay, that's it for the box. So this is everything that came in my Amazon package. So I'm going to head over to Jack's today to drop this off so we can get the pulley kit installed. I'm going to do a separate video for the PCV Delete, because I already have my own custom PCV that I'm going to need to get some fittings for to make this work. These are 10 AN. Well, my kit is 12 AN, so it's a larger line, but I can definitely make these work, make these fit in, because I think these are 10 AN fittings. So I'm gonna have to figure out and make these work. But yeah, I'm gonna do this in a separate video, get these installed. I'm gonna have to order some AN fittings, some 10 to 12 AN adapters. Possibly mirroring these nipples, figure out what size they are from JHM, and maybe try to find a 12 AN fitting that mirrors it. We'll figure it out. But I'm super excited to get this installed, and I'm going to head over to Jack's and see how soon we can get them installed. Stay tuned for more. Remember to check the links, like, subscribe, and we'll be back for part 2 of this install.